Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline. Today I have a fun video for you. Today I'm going to be turning some thrift store items into glamorous, luxurious glam decor. So stay tuned and continue watching. Remember to head to my website, www.sincerelyjacqueline.com, for more information. So let's get started. So the first DIY is going to be using this mirror that I got from the thrift store, and it was about $3. And then you're going to be needing some gold leaf paper. You can get that from the Dollar Tree. So what I wanted to do is create a really pretty luxurious mirror. So I decided to take some Mod Podge and spread it around the ends of the mirror and put on the gold leaf paper. So what I'm basically doing is using the gold leaf paper to make a border, and this is going to be used for a beautiful tray. Now the key is you don't have to be perfect. Just place the gold leaf paper any way you like. The easiest way would be using the large sheets and placing it on. I was running out of gold leaf paper, so I did start using smaller pieces. I absolutely love this DIY because it is fairly quick and easy to do and makes a huge impact. Okay guys, so once you have put your gold leaf paper all around your mirror, what you're going to do is take some Mod Podge and spread it over there to seal the gold leaf paper. My advice to you is to not put too much because you are going to have to clean it off. So this particular mirror already had a little platform underneath it and was used as a tray. If you're using a regular mirror, you may want to purchase those felt pads that you put under furniture to raise the mirror up and protect it from scratching. And here is the final product. So beautiful, so luxurious, and it was easy to make. For the second DIY, which is my absolute favorite, I found this beautiful lamp base at the thrift store for $5. I loved the shape, but I did not like the greenish finish to the lamp base, so I decided that I was going to cover it. So what you're going to need for this DIY is marble contact paper, and what I'm going to do is I am going to finish the lamp base with this beautiful marble contact paper that I got from Walmart. Now initially I was going to just stick on the contact paper by cutting it out into square shapes and kind of fitting it onto the lamp. But then I decided to change my mind and actually trim the contact paper. Because the lamp was see-through, it just gave it a really weird finish that I didn't like. So I decided to actually get rid of all the excess paper and trim it to the exact shape of the lamp, the individual parts of the lamp. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of getting rid of all the excess contact paper that I have. Now the easiest way to do that is just trim really close to the shape. Now, when I got to the part where the plug feeds through the lamp base, I had to do things a little bit differently. So what I did is I found the hole and then I just cut down the contact paper to kind of give an opening so that the cord could fit nicely. So after putting the majority of the contact paper onto the lamp base, I had to finish the top of the lamp. The top of the lamp, unfortunately, is quite tricky, but I did a few modifications. So I still cut the marble paper into a square, but I made a slit in there and made a square shape so that it can fit around the top of the lamp. and then basically I trimmed around it. So after I finished putting the contact paper on, I wasn't really satisfied with what it looked like. There was a lot of rough edges and it just looked unfinished. And the top also looked unfinished as well. So I thought, what can I do to really elevate the look of this? And I remembered that I had some gold contact paper already in my stash. So I thought maybe I could finish the top of the lamp and the top part with the gaps there with this contact paper. So what I did is I took this gold contact paper, I finished the top of the lamp with it, and then I cut it into small little strips like so, and then I lined it on the top half of the lamp base. So as you can see, I took some of that contact paper and already put it at the top of the lamp. I'm just putting the gold strips down just to finish off the edge. Now, when I finished the top half, I absolutely loved the look, and I thought, let me finish the rest of the lamp base with the gold trim. So I started to basically repeat the same step and cut the gold trim into thin pieces and line the edges of my geometric lamp base. Okay guys, here is the final product. I am so thrilled of how it came out. It looks like marble and it looks unbelievable even in person, and it is a simple way to finish off a thrift item that you have and make it look expensive without spending the money. I absolutely loved how this whole project came out, and I hope you do too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and tune in to my next video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, hit the alert button so that you could be alerted to my future videos, and please visit my blog at www.sincerelymissj.com. I'll have more pictures and instructions on there. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.